chapter is deal with the chemical reactions. So there are two types of chemical reactions: reversible reaction and irreversible reactions. So today we have activity number 1, where we are going to justify irreversible reactions. What are the irreversible reactions and what are the products of irreversible reactions? You know that a reaction in which reactant converted into product, that reaction is known as irreversible reaction. In which product never break to reactant, such type of reaction are known as irreversible reaction. We have example like burning and rusting. Both are the irreversible reaction. In burning, when we burn any paper or plastic, or any cotton, then we will obtain product like carbon dioxide gas and water vapor. You cannot make the paper from carbon dioxide and water. That reaction is known as irreversible reaction. That reaction today we are going to perform, but that reaction we will perform outside of the class because it is a burning reaction. So you are ready to perform this reaction?
Yes.
So explain what is our reaction.
Assalamualaikum class, welcome to Grade Metric, and today we are going to perform the justifying irreversible reaction. So today actually we are having a fun day because we are going to burn the paper and seeing in the whether that it is reversible or irreversible reaction, and if it is irreversible, then what are the reaction and what are the factors affecting it. So we will be performing this experiment outside of the class. So let's go.
So now this is a paper. This is paper and this is our reactant. It is composed of cellulose. Okay, this is a reactant that composed of cellulose, and cellulose containing carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. Their composition is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. This is our reactant, and if we burn it, that is our reaction is going on. So what is
The paper is burning.
the two types of products is there. One is that the gas, that gas is known as carbon dioxide, and that ashes. These are water vapors, and the remaining black part is known as carbon dioxide ashes. So this reaction is known as burning, and this is our irreversible reaction. It cannot be baked. From this ashes and water vapor, you cannot obtain the paper. You cannot obtain the cellulose bake. So that reaction is known as irreversible reaction. That is the burning of paper. And burning is only occur in the presence of oxygen. If there is oxygen environment, that's why burning is happening. If there is no oxygen, we cannot perform this reaction. So for this reaction, we need oxygen. Okay, another, we have a plastic. This is polyethylene. Polyethylene. This is composed of contain carbon and hydrogen only. It has carbon and hydrogen only. When we burn it, it will convert into carbon dioxide and water vapor. Same burning reaction is going on. So we are going to perform it right now. So this is reaction is going on. Okay, the water vapors and carbon dioxide will be produced from it. That is our reactant, and the remaining is we are getting. This is our products. And this reaction is known as burning, and the burning is our irreversible reaction. Are you getting this point? Yes. Everyone? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, the remaining will be carbon dioxide ashes. These are the other products. The reactant's composition totally change into products. The new composition we obtain. This type of change is known as chemical change, an irreversible reaction. You can ashes. Okay, the chemical change in which that composition of reactant totally change and we obtain a new compound. That is chemical change. What is physical change? In which composition are not changed. Explain the physical change.
Physical change in the composition cannot be changed. Only the process to remaining the like have salt and water. When we add salt in the water, we can get a new product. But while burning, we can make it to the irreversible
If we
reaction.
have ice, okay, then what is the formula of ice? H2O. It is a solid. When we melt it, we get water. What's the formula of water? H2O. Composition of this change is known as physical change. And yes, and this change is we are going now. It is a chemical change. Are you getting?